Hello, Haseyo, Chinguduls! Kamusta kayong lahat? And welcome back to another quick hair tutorial with me. Now, the reason why that I wanted to recreate this hairstyle is that a past Instagram post I did, I think a couple of years ago, with our very own Mother Marbles, Jolina Magdangal, resurfaced on Facebook because of Ariana Grande's recent music video. Now, if you follow me on social media, you'd know na I am such a big fan of Ariana Grande's hairstyles. Kaya game na game ako anytime to do a snatched ponytail. So according to hairstylist extraordinaire Chris Appleton, who revived this hairstyle, this was inspired from a character in the 90s movie Casino played by Sharon Stone. So this look is very regal and expensive looking, which is perfect for like balls and evening parties. So we won't be needing any hot tools for this hairstyle, not unless you need to dry your hair or straighten out some frizz to get that slick look. Otherwise, all you need are some bobby pins and elastic, a boar bristle brush, a shine spray or a fixing hairspray, your hair accessories. I got these beautiful babies online. I have here a braided satin fabric, a twisted velvet fabric, and a sequin fabric. So you can just choose whatever you like. If you want to buy them, I will put the link on the description box so you can get these gorgeous headbands. And lastly, the star of the show, a half wig or extensions. Now I got this from Lynelle's. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but hello Miss Jen and the lovely people from Lynelle's Green Hills. That's where I always buy my extensions and wigs. Now this one is a synthetic half wig. But what I love about this is that it's not as shiny as the usual synthetic wigs that you buy. And it is pre-styled, so I love that it has some soft waves and layers on it. And the best part is that it's not even expensive. So I'll just show you what a half wig looks like. So normally it has a comb where it serves like an anchor where you can attach it to your hair. And then I actually attached 4 clip-ons just so you can secure it better when you attach it to your hair. So I'd start by creating 2 sections, one in the front for the side swept and one in the back for the ponytail. Using a boar bristle brush, I gather all the hair at the crown of the head where I want my ponytail to sit. I love using a boar bristle brush when I'm doing a snatched ponytail because it lays the hair flat on the head. Of course, you can use hairspray if you want to lay down any other stubborn stray hair. After securing your ponytail with an elastic and polishing any other stray hair in the way, you can now start doing your side swept. One important element in creating this look is that everything has to look glossy and polished. That's what makes this hairstyle expensive looking. So now I am creating a sturdy bun from our ponytail. This will serve as a base when we later on attach our hair extension. Simply anchor the comb from the hair extension onto your bun. And secure the rest of the hair extensions with the clip-ons onto your hair. I am debating whether to use the braided satin or the twisted velvet fabric, but since we are recreating Ariana Grande's look from the music video, I decided to use the twisted velvet one because it is closest to her actual headband. Teasing the hair for more height is completely up to you, but you know what they say, the higher the hair, the closer to God. So what do you guys think? Achieve ba? Well, I hope you guys can also recreate this look. I know there wasn't really any technique involved, pero I hope I was able to show you how it is executed. If you have any questions or suggestions on what I should do next, please leave your comments down below. And you can again follow me on my Instagram at JWhair. I'd greatly appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel and make sure to click that notification bell so you'll get notified if I upload new tutorials like this. Also, give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks 사합니다 여러분 for staying and watching the entire video. I'll see you again next time. Take care. 안녕!